Good afternoon, Nick here from Vital Facilities at the windswept Holme Moss Summit. It's World Maths Day today, so let's talk about measures that I believe actually matter. I want to share a framework that every school business manager, trust leader and facilities manager should know about. Value for money in the UK is formally defined as the relationship between economy, efficiency and effectiveness, known as the 3 E's. Some people have expanded this to the 5 E's framework, but for now I'll stick with the 3 E's. Achieving value for money means balancing all three. Relatively low costs, high productivity and valued outcomes. So breaking it down, economy means, are you getting the right inputs at the right quality for a fair price? Efficiency, are those inputs being used well? Is there waste, duplication or drift? Effectiveness, that's the big one. Are the outcomes being delivered? Is the service actually doing what it's supposed to do for the people receiving it? And a lot of providers, in my opinion, have never heard of it. Here's the thing, most facilities contracts are only ever measured on the first E, and that's price. And when that's your only measure, you're only ever getting a third of the picture or the result. For example, the clean school isn't just about the hours on the rota, it's about whether your staff feel proud of the environment, whether parents notice, whether you're protected when Ofsted walks through the door. That's what value for money actually looks like. So my challenge to you today is score your current service provision across all your services against all the 3 E's and perhaps score out of 10 for each and see what it tells you. I've put together a completely free guide. Oh my goodness, it breaks down the full framework and how you can apply it to your site and what to look out for. The link is in the bio somewhere, go grab it. I hope it helps. Right, I'm going to go get warm, put my wig back on, and I'll see you next time.